Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create product costing in SAP. In SAP there are two ways you can create a product cost estimate. First one is, let's say you have a single finished good or a semi-finished good material. For this material you can run product costing and then you can release it. Okay. The second way is you can select multiple materials. Let's say there are 100 materials belongs to plant A. You select all these 100 material and then run product costing. Right. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run a product costing for single material. Right. I will add a different video of running product costing for multiple materials together. Right. So to run product costing, there are prerequisites that you need to fulfill. First one, for the particular material you are going to run the product costing, it is a must. You have to create a bill of material, right? And also routing, right? In this video, I'm not going to show you how to create bill of material and how to create routing. I think you already know it, or else there are separate videos in my channel to create routing, to create bill of material. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the created bill of material and the routing for the material I'm going to run product costing. So let me show you my bill of material. Right. I go to the CK11N transaction and put my material, give the plant on PUM application, then I run the bill of material. As you can see, this is my finished good material. Okay, and there are same finished good materials for this particular finished product, right? And also each semi finished good there are raw materials, right? You can see this yellow line represent one semi finished good item. Below that there are different raw materials, right? Now there is a finished good material. You have the multi-level PUM. So if you run product costing for these header material, the highest level, for the below level, product costing will happen automatically, right? Okay. Next prerequisite is you need to have a routine. Okay, you can call it routing as well, production steps. I'm going to display my routing, and I give my material and enter the plant. Here you can see for this particular material it has a routing. It has 4 production steps. Each step there is a work center sign, description, and you can see the times, right? Okay, these times are very important because based on these times product costing is going to be created, right? And from the BOM it takes the raw material quantities and it gives a value, and from the routine it takes the time and multiply it by the assigned activity rates, right? And then it generates the product cost at the end. So actually to create a routing, first you have to create a work center. It's another master data that you have to create. Okay, so let me display my work center. For this one also I have a separate video, and this is my work center. It has a description, and also important thing is under the costing these figures need to be filled, right? This activity type, machine, labor, those things, these are very important. Based on these activity types my product costing price is going to be calculated. Okay, right. Now everything is in place. Now I go to the transaction CS11, sorry, CK11, CK11N, sorry, to run the product costing. So here you have to give the material and the plant, and in the costing data you need to select the costing variant, right? So in your organization there can be different costing variant configured, but the standard one is PPC1. Okay. And then I enter, and then it goes to the next page where I need to give the dates, right? It takes the beginning of next month, right? But I want to run this costing from today. Today days is May 18th. Okay, so I change this and this one and this one. Okay, if you run for next month, that means your costing is not going to be valid for this month. Okay, and let's say if you run MRP, or if you create a production order, your costing will not impact it if you create production order this month. So it's important for you to run the product costing for the today's date, right? And also validity period, you can run this for infinite date. Validity is infinite, or else you can run this for month, year, right, as per your requirement. Okay, let me change this again, and then I press enter. Now this goes to my costing view. Here you can see product costing is here. Actually this side you can see my finished product, and under that you can see the finished good materials, and also you can see raw materials, relevant quantities, and against the quantities you have the prices calculated from the moving average price, right? And here you can see the total cost of your product cost, this product. Okay, so apart from the raw material, like I mentioned earlier, from the routing it takes production cost. That means the machine cost, labor cost, um, setup time cost. There can be more, right? As you can see for this operation, and there is 2 minutes and 0.05 hours, and the cost is here. Okay, so likewise for this particular material, total production cost, planned cost is 89.52 euros. Okay, so this is how you are going to create your product costing. Now you have to save the product costing, right? Still this is not done. So this product costing is saved, but it is not released, or it is not updated in the material yet. So to do that, you have to go to the CK24 transaction, and you have to enter the company code, plant, and then you have to give the material, right? So you are going to release the costing. Okay, so because of this, now you need to give all your finished product and also the semi-finished good product to this transaction. Otherwise it release only the finished good. Let's say if you put finished good only, it release the finished good only, right? So make sure you put all these materials which is available in your bill of material apart from the raw material. Okay, remove this test run indicator and then run. Here you can see 7 materials costed successfully. That means I have 6 semi-finished good and 1 finished product material. Okay, not done yet. Now you can see for each SFG there is a price, and the final finished good price is also available. Now go back and press this release button and then run it. Now only this product costing is going to be updated inside your material master. Here you can see cost estimated were updated successfully. Now go to material display transaction, enter your material, go to product costing tab. Here you can see under the current month product costing is updated. If you can click this and go inside, that means your product costing is available. See, it goes to the product costing as per today's date. Okay, so this is how you do the product costing in SAP for a single material. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.